Hi guys, welcome to back. And after update, mouse is not working. So how to resolve it? So guys, first connect to different port to USB your mouse, okay? And same it is not working. So try to connect another mouse and same mouse connect to another device. You can change, okay? And if sometime working and sometimes not working, so guys go to right click to Windows icon and go to device manager, and then find out the keyboard and mouse, find out mouse. This is okay. Okay, PS2 to mouse is connected. Right click to update driver, okay, and then close it. Then guys, next click to start and type control panel, view by category, okay, uh, hardware and sound, then click to mouse, this one, okay. So this is try to middle, okay, then pointer and optical, this is also try to middle, okay. Okay, this is number 3 and then apply and then okay, then restore your system. So guys, click to start and type run, okay, and type r s t u I and then r s t r r u I r, then okay, then restore, then click to next. You can, this is showing some old date, okay, you can change different point, then next, and lot of it is showing it's okay. And this is also automatic restore point, okay. Okay, and then select which one is, and then click to next, okay, and then next and finish. And this is asking for the restart, and then click it.